firearm is not always as dangerous as the weapon in his hand. If this statement did not cause your hands to tremble, your mind to wander, and your heart to beat faster than usual, in this video, we will showcase 7 of the most powerful and advanced weapons in the world. If you don't want to miss some of the world's most infamous, tried and true, and somewhat feared firearms, keep watching the video. Number 1. Smart guns. In some countries, citizens are permitted to possess and carry firearms. Clearly, this can lead to issues, as you cannot always carry your weapon and it may fall into the hands of someone who may use it to cause damage. Thankfully, an increasing number of guns now incorporate intelligent technology. The first firearm of this type appeared over 50 years ago. It was a revolver with magnetic rings in its grip that could only be shot when carried by its owner. There are handguns that require a digital and tactile pin code from the user, pistols with built-in recognition systems that can only be shot by those wearing a specific bracelet, and pistols that employ optical sensors to recognize the owner's biometric data. The firearm will cost $895 and can be authorized by several users simultaneously. Number 2. Corner shot. Those tasked with enforcing the law and carrying firearms are well aware that the most perilous scenarios occur when the enemy is nearby. As the cop investigates the scene, he becomes an easy target for the first weapon with a curved barrel, which makes shooting from behind a corner possible. Corner shot is comprised of 2 components that form an angle of 63 degrees. The rotating portion has a rifle and a video camera, and you may attach a gun sight, a silencer, or a flame arrestor to the user-held sections. The camera has a power source and, more crucially, a display that transmits the collected color images. The weapon can be rotated so the shooter can view around corners as well as down or up from a window. For instance, this can be purchased for $2,650. Number 3. Tracking point rifles. This year, the world's first precision-guided rifle system was introduced. The tracking point system, developed by the American company AMI, could revolutionize the weaponry industry. On the basis of this novel technology, a complex of miniature guns was developed. Any permit holder can purchase a Smart Aim firearm for $7,000. These weapons are viewed as controversial. Some view PGF weapons as cheating devices due of their clever aiming system. The length of the costly item is incredible. The technology automatically calculates corrections for error-free shooting based on the position and distance of the targets. 2 video cameras, a laser, rangefinder, and screen-out sensors comprise the system. The onboard computer can measure wind velocity, wind direction, temperature, and air pressure. It is practically hard to miss if the shooter merely needs to aim, acquire, receive corrections, and pull the trigger. Number 4. Double-barreled Glock 17 and 18C. The reason why this rifle is shown in our video is evident simply by glancing at it. The rationale lies in its distinctive design. These gas pistols are constructed with a number of patent protective components, including a double-weight frame, a double barrel, and a double trigger. The caliber of both variants is 6mm. Each side of the twin magazine holds 25 rounds of ammo. The main difference between the double-barreled Glock 17 and 18C is that the first pistol can only shoot in semi-automatic mode, whereas the second gun can also fire in fully automatic mode. Number 5. Life Card. In the present world, when anything may occur and previously safe environments can soon become death traps, it is difficult to maintain complete security. Due to the impossibility of transporting self-defense weapons wherever and at any time, the minigun life card was created. It was founded by the American business pioneer. When folded, the handgun resembles a regular business accessory and is a little bigger than a business card holder. This transforms Eugene's live card into a concealed firearm that fits in his pocket. The price begins at $319. Number 6. HIKVISION Drone Defender. In the past 5 or 6 years, the global number of drones has surged. This applies to both commercial and recreational drones. While some individuals love capturing breathtaking landscapes with their drones, others seek to restrict their use in restricted locations. HIKVISION is a Chinese manufacturer and distributor of surveillance equipment. Its experts have developed a method for securely removing or landing a drone. The initial device must be manually held, activated, and directed against a drone. In one mode, the device suppresses the remote control signal from the operator. Using GPS coordinates, most modern drones return to their launch site. Mode 2 causes the drone to leave the area. Both the signal from the remote control and the satellite signal are muffled. The second model functions identically to the first, but without a human operator. Prior to landing or returning the drone to its owner, the system identifies the drone. The Drone Defender from HIKVISION safeguards airports, prisons, and other drone-free zones. Number 7. W-MUTT. A few years back, the United States Army held a contest for squad multi-purpose equipment transport. Participants were charged with developing and supplying ground robots suited for moving guns, ammo, supplies, and equipment. The W-wheelbase robot, launched by General Dynamics Land Systems, has received significant acclaim. The letter W represents a weaponized multi-role tactical transport. Despite its 544-pound burden, the displayed robot satisfies all standards, capable of non-stop operation for 72 hours and 96 kilometers on a single tank of fuel. In addition, the vehicle can be operated in 2 separate ways. It can either follow the operator's directions and travel along a predetermined route, or it can follow the division's troops autonomously. One method in which 4 W-MUTTs could boost Army effectiveness is by eliminating the need for soldiers to carry hefty loads on their own backs. And that completes our video for today. We hope you enjoyed learning 7 of the most powerful and advanced weapons in the world. Which of them are you most excited about? Tell us in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more content such as this.